Chapter 2 practice test. This is a help video for question number 5. Okay, so for direct variation, the equation that you'll need for the test is y equals k times x. K just stands for some constant. So all a direct variation is, the cost is $7 per ticket to the Rogers movie theater, or maybe, you make $12 an hour at your job or whatever. Those are constant variations, and this number, the number part is called the constant. X and Y are variables, and then that number part is called the constant. So this one's really asking us to find what is this constant. All right, so we know it's this equation because it says direct variation. And then they give us a kind of like an XY point. So they say X is 12 when Y is 5, right? So basically I'm going to put 5 for Y and then 12 for X and say, okay, what is K? What is that constant? And so basically we just got to solve this for K. So 12 times K equals 5, so just divide both sides by 12. And so K, the constant, is 5 divided by 12. All right, and so our answer here is just letter B. On the test, it might ask for the equation or something. So the equation would just be, it would look like these ones, except K would be 5/12. So we'd have Y equals 5/12 times X. Sorry for that poor looking 5 there. All right, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.